The Children of War Veterans Association, CZLWVA, panguva inoi vauya vachirejecta the bill number 3 urgently. And panguva inoi varikuuya vachiti we want to uphold the will of the people. Sarave namashoko anobuda panguva inochonekwa kunzi Mnangagwa amendment bill number 3 iri kuuya panguva ino ichida kuextenda term yemutungamiri wenyika aiwa from 2028 to 2030. Chitiko chaonekwa kunzi kunyange nevana vavo veterans vauya vachizviramba ndoti wasubscribe like watonga bell icon. Timina unawo muzi aiva muda nyora headline okuda nyika chinzi agent reject bill number 3 and uphold the will of the people. The Children of War Veterans Association CZLWVA members are shocked and dismayed by the recent press conference held by our national executive, which expressed support for gazetted bill number 3. We want to make it clear that we do not endorse or support the views expressed by our national executive on this matter. As Children of War veterans, we are committed to upholding the revolutionary ethos of the liberation struggle, which enriches the principles of one man, one vote, and democracy. The proposed bill number 3 is a betrayal of these values, and we reject it in its entirety. We strongly condemn the statements made by our national executive, which have brought disrepute to our association. We distance ourselves from these statements and clarify that they do not represent the views of the association or its members. We also distance ourselves from politics of patronage and sycophancy displayed by our leadership, which undermines the very fabric of our struggle. We will not be party to any attempts to undermine the democratic principles of our nation. We call on our leadership to reconsider their stance on bill number 3 and prioritize the interests of the people over personal and political interests incited by Children of War Veterans members. Toma developments are kubuda panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa vakomana vorwidzana pachavo, tiona kuti vana vema-war veterans vari kuuya vanyora tsamba to the national executive vachiti zvamuri kuita hazvisiri izvo, hatisi kukusapotai nokuda kwokuti muri kuenda against the ideals of the liberation struggle. Pana comment section menu nzofungura any more today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like cheta on the bell icon.